Hello, today we're gonna make Forky and Knifey. First, for Knifey, you need blue rubber bands, plastic butter knives, a Sharpie, a pencil, glitter paper, pink pipe cleaners, blue pipe cleaners, and yellow pipe cleaners. You need a glue stick or tape, glue dots, or a hot glue gun. You also need popsicle sticks, green paper, and white Play-Doh. Oh, and googly eyes. Oh gosh, I keep forgetting stuff. And red, whatever this thing's called. First, going to do her feet. You snap popsicle stick in half. All right, let's do this. And the popsicle stick is literally never gonna be perfect because you can never protect the popsicle stick. After you snapped your popsicle stick in half, you're going to align it like this. So it looks like somebody's feet, kind of. You're gonna grab your Play-Doh. Now make sure the Play-Doh is nice and in there because you have to stick the knife in it and you don't really want to get hurt by the popsicle stick because it's sharp. Then next, we're going to do Knifey's face. You're going to get the yellow pipe cleaner. You're going to just kind of fold it into fours like this. All right, so then you're going to split your popsicle stick in half. If you can't do it, you can totally have a parent help. Or you can have a parent help first. So this one, you're going to need a tape, actually. It's gonna go like this. Oh, two of them. So you're gonna need to tape them together first. You need to tape them together. You're going to tape it together like this. Then you're gonna get another piece of tape. And then you're going to get the piece of tape, put a little on the back and some on the front. There we go. That's Knifey's hair. You have to put the googly eyes on before you use the Sharpie for the eyelashes and freckles. Because if you do that, then it'll just be hard. Yeah, it'll just be hard. All right, where did I put those sticky dots? Over here. Right, and then you're gonna sticky dot or hot glue the eyes to Knifey. And make sure to leave room for the eyelashes. There we go, those are the eyes. It took me an insane amount of time for just sticking on eyes. All right, you're going to use your Sharpie and you're gonna put eyelashes on her eyes. Just like that. And it doesn't have to look perfect, like mine doesn't look perfect at all. Then next, you get red puff paint. Ooh. Doesn't look perfect, but it still looks good. And then next, after that, you're going to make her a dress. So you need light green paper for this. So first you're going to align the fork, knife, then you're just going to use your pencil and then just draw a dress outline. All right. Well, that's the dress. Then you're going to cut the dress out. All right. There's her dress. I lined it just for her size. Just for her size. All right, and then next you're going to get your sticker paper. Then you're going to draw some stars on it that fit on the dress. Cut it out. Here, and leave room for the two stars on top. And then that's that's the hand. Then you're going to do a little squiggly. Then you're going to get Knifey. And you're going to stick the pipe cleaner on it and just wrap the pipe cleaner around it. Round here. We're gonna wrap it around here. Then, just like that. There's Knifey's arms. Alright, next you're going to put her dress on. There we go. Just like that. And then you're going to stick Knifey right in there. And then I realized from the picture, she actually has like a little blue outline around her feet. So you can use the thing that you use for Forky in the middle and just kind of outline the front of her feet. All right, for Forky, you're going to need popsicle sticks, glue dots, or a hot glue gun, a rainbow sticker, sporks, googly eyes, red pipe cleaner, red and blue puff paint, and a red marker. All right, let's get started. First, you're gonna grab a popsicle stick, just break it in half. And then you're going to get some Play-Doh. Use as much as you need to stick 2 popsicle sticks together like this. Well, I haven't put the Play-Doh on, but yeah, like that. All right, I think that's a job well done. Then you're going to get your spork. You're going to face it this way, so not the front, but the back is showing. Then you're going to get 1 big googly eye, like kind of big, not too big, but kind of, yeah. Like these 2 sizes. And put 1 sticky dot per googly eye. And make sure you leave room for Forky's red unibrow. Just like that. And then you're going to get the red puff paint. Just do a little U shape, like an upside down U kind of like this. You're going to grab your blue puff paint, puff paint, and just draw a smiley face. Just like that. Next, you're going to grab a red pipe cleaner, 2 red pipe cleaners. Okay, so then you're going to grab the glue dots and put it on the front side of this fork, right around pointing, because you probably can't see it. Next, going to have 1 hand to this side, and that's the first arm. That's his arms. So now, all right, then you're just gonna like scribble on the inside. Have fun with it, it'll look great. And then next, on the bottom of the popsicle stick, you're going to write your name. There we go, and that's my name. All right, and then next, I'm going to stick Forky in, just like that. And that's how you make Forky.